In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package the new Microsoft Teams MSIX software installation package into a Chocolatey package. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find a few videos about Chocolatey and also about installing NuGet Package Explorer that I will be using in this video for creating the Chocolatey package. And now I'll begin this video by downloading the installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Microsoft documentation page about the new installer and how to install it. And here we have a few download links, and I will be downloading the MSIX 64-bit installer, so I'll click on the link right here and the download should start. And I will be using a template file for my Chocolatey package, so for that I will go back to my GitHub page. And here we have the template file. I will click on this file, and then I will click on the button right here to download it, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And as you can see here, we have the installation file and also the NuGet package. I will open up the NuGet package. It opens up with the NuGet Package Explorer, and first we need to package the executable into this package. So for that I will right click on Tools, I will click on Add Existing File, then I will go to my Downloads folder, and then I will select the MSIX package that I have here. As you can see, the package appeared here in the Chocolatey package. Then I will click on this Chocolatey install script. As you can see, currently it's empty. Then I will click on this edit button. And here I will be providing a script to install the MSIX package. And for that I will go back to my GitHub page, because here I have the PowerShell snippet that I will be using. And for this snippet to work, we will need to provide the executable file name. And then it will work by executing this command right here called add a provisioning package. Basically, this command right here will install the package that will be contained in the package to the computer. And now I will click on the button right here to copy the snippet, go back to my package, insert the snippet in here. And like I said, we need to provide the executable file name. So for that, I will go to my downloads folder. I will rename this file. I will select the full name to include the extension because the extension is important. And then I will copy the name. Then I will insert the name here. I will save the script by clicking on this save button, and then I will go back to my package. And now we need to provide a few bits of information about the package in here. So I'll click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter MS Teams. For the version number, well, I will leave it as is because it's not that important. For the authors, I will also leave it at less automation. And here for the description, I will enter MSIX Microsoft Teams package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to fill in. I will save the information by clicking on this checkbox. And then we need to save the package itself. So for that, I will go to Save, then Save As, and I will save this package to my Downloads folder. I will click Save, and then I will go to my Downloads folder and wait for the Chocolatey package to appear in here. And here it is. And now that I have my package, I will right click on it, select Copy, then I will go to my VMware workstation, where I have this Windows virtual machine, and I will be installing the package on this Windows virtual machine. So I'll open File Explorer, and I will place the package in the Downloads folder in this virtual machine. And I will be using this download folder as my Chocolatey repository when installing this package. And now to install this package, I will go to my Start menu and I will open CMD. I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges for software installation. And then I will type Choco, install. Then we need to provide the package ID that we see in the name here. So it's MS Teams. And then because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, we need to provide our Chocolatey repository ID. So I need to enter -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So my package is in my downloads folder and my downloads folder is in my D drive. So I will type D and then downloads. And also I will add -y and press enter. And now we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, the package was successfully installed. If I go to my Start menu and then All Apps, somewhere here we should find Microsoft Teams. I will click on it. Seems to be opening up just fine. And then it gives us the sign-in screen. That means that the package is working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.